Let me first introduce myself. My name is Asutosh and I'm the co-founder of so in this session today, which is the topic is how to make a career as a career counselor. We will try to cover certain areas in this presentation. The structure or the flow of the presentation will be like this. I'll first introduce Bodhami to you in terms of what is Bodhami. Then I'll talk about the career counselors in terms of why the country needs career counselors. Then I'll talk about if the country needs the career counselor, then if you make a career as a career counselor, what kind of earning you can have. And then I'll talk about Bodhami as a platform and how we can help you become a career counselor. This is the primarily the agenda of this meeting. And so let me first introduce Bodhami to you before I go to the next section, which is on how to make a career as a career counselor. Bodhami is one of the leading and fastest growing career counseling platform in India. We have trained around 1,000 plus counselors in last 1 year on our platform. We have close to 30,000 students who have been listed with us, who has taken career counseling on our platform. And we also have around 300 plus schools which are currently collaborating with us on career counseling. Bodhami is a winner of National Startup Awards in 2020 and primarily focuses on AI-powered career and skill assessment, personalized learning and upskilling for the students and the professionals. Bodhami is also a member of Asia Pacific Career Development Association and International Association of Applied Psychology. If you have any questions, you can always write in the chat. If it is related to the flow of the presentation, I'll take it immediately. Otherwise, I'll take it in the end of the presentation. Now, in terms of the difference that Bodhami has created, a number of 30,000 plus students have been counseled, and almost 50% of them come from semi-urban and rural areas. And Bodhami was exclusively covered by Doordarshan in the month of April because of Bodhami's initiative in creating nano entrepreneurs in India. Because we've created 100 plus nano entrepreneurs or career counselors who have started earning good return of their investment, and who are earning well out of the career counseling that they're doing. So because of that, the Doordarshan covered us in the Startup Champions program. Currently, we have counselors present in India in 108 cities across 24 states, and also we have presented 4 different countries. The approach that Bodhami has for career counseling, I'm just covering background so that you know about Bodhami when you go into the actual discussion today, which is on how to make a career as a career counselor. Just a little bit of background I'm giving. In terms of career counseling, Bodhami has a unique AI-based approach where it analyzes the student's overall profile, the skill profile, the persona profile, and the interest profile, and then recommends the right careers using an AI algorithm, and then finds out the skill gaps which exist in the student and provides a learning recommendation or the upskilling recommendation. Now coming to the main topic of today, which for which most of you have come in today's session. The question comes is, if I really want to make a career in career counseling, and possibly some of you would already be in some other career, for example, teaching or training or a counselor or a corporate-based professional or any other career. The question comes, why should we get into career counseling as a career? So as you see this, data on the screen, and as we have seen in our experience interacting with thousands of students across the country, 70% of professionals who are currently working, who are doing their job, they are not happy with what they're doing, with their profession, which would mean that their entire life they would be frustrated and would be doing something which they don't want. That is a problem which comes because people do not go through the career counseling when they get into their career. 94% of engineers in India are unemployable. There's NASSCOM data. This is because there are 2 primary reasons. One is that people are getting into engineering colleges who are not suitable for engineering careers, And then the second reason is that the courses which are provided are kind of skills which are needed in today's corporate world or in the industry for employment are not given to the students. For those two reasons, 94% of engineers become unemployable in India. 25% of students are making wrong career choices. They are getting into wrong careers. They are not selecting the right career. All these are data from top news agencies or rating agencies in India. So, what is the market size that we have in India for career counselors? In India, we have 5,000 crore market for career counseling. There's another 3,000 crore close to market is there for international admission counseling. On Bodhami, we provide both, so I'll come to that anyway. Usually, if you go and talk to a student on the street, if you just randomly pick a student and talk to them, then you will see that they are aware of only 7 careers. If you talk to them, you ask them, how many careers you are aware of. You'll find that on an average, they know about only 7 careers. But currently, there are 200 plus careers which are there in today's day and age where students can actually make good career. India currently needs 1.4 million career counselors. 14 lakh career counselors are needed in India, but India currently has close to 10,000 around career counselors who are currently active. 35 crore secondary and senior secondary students in India, but 92% of them have no access to career counseling. So this is some of the data I wanted to share because this background is very important. And then the question comes, who all need career counseling? Some people think that only people who are looking for job needs career counseling, but that is not correct. Even the students need career counseling. But it is not just about career counseling. It is also about selecting the right stream. It is also about understanding the skill gaps. For example, in a student when I'm in class 8th or 7th or 8th, when I'm not even looking for a stream or career selection, I still have a lot of skill gaps in me. If a platform can identify the skill gaps which are individualized and recommend me the right learning course, that is also a career counseling because you are upskilling the individual. Students from in 9th and 10th, they are looking for the right streams. Student in 11th, 12th, they are looking for right careers. Graduate students, the professionals who are already working. A lot of professionals come on our platform to take career counseling because they also they are not happy with the work that they are doing. They want to change their career. So all these people are interested in career counseling. 400 million students and professionals in India are the ones who are eligible for career counseling. Now, if all this is good, if India needs career counselors, students need career counseling, then somebody who makes a career as a career counselor, what kind of earning potential would generally be there? So let us understand that part. As a career counselor, usually on our platform, people who do career counseling, they provide multiple packages, kinds of packages for career counseling. One is where they provide only the assessment test with the report, which is usually charged between say 1,200, 1,000 to say around 1,700 rupees. Then there is a counseling package, counseling along with the career guidance report, which is charged around 2,000 to 4,500, depending on the city. Because in the bigger cities like Mumbai and all, the charges are more, and in smaller cities it would be less. But any given point of time, in one session of counseling can, on an average, very easily give the counselor around 1,500 rupees. If it is a career counseling, if it is international student counseling, because on our platform we have international studies program also, then the charges are much higher because the services are more deeper in terms of guiding them on international courses, helping them with their letter of recommendations, their portfolios, their statement of purpose, and all those kind of things, and then guiding them to the right colleges, universities across the world. So for those, the charges are on an average, 35 to 50,000 or even more, because their mentoring programs for the entire year for international admissions are even more costly. So this is the kind of earning. If you look at on an average the number of sessions that a counselor is taking, on an average, a counselor can earn between say 50,000 to 1,50,000 in bigger cities, and in smaller cities, semi-urban areas also 25, 30,000 you can easily earn, and they don't even have to work full time. It's like when you're doing counseling, can be like one session, two sessions, three, four sessions, in a month. 20 sessions in a month itself will give somebody around 30, 35. This is the kind of earning, and there's a huge gap in the market because there are not many qualified career counselors. There are not many qualified platforms for career counseling which they can use. Now, if all this is good, then the question comes: how do you make the journey to become a career counselor? But before I talk about your journey to become a career counselor, I'll give you a glimpse of Modami's career counseling platform. This is the platform that we have for counseling, the entire AI, artificial intelligence element platform, which has different platforms for counselors as well as the students and professionals. So as a counselor, you can manage your student, you can add students, you can assign tests to a student, you can download the career guidance report for the student. You can counsel using the platform. We have an entire structured program on career counseling. The psychometric test that we have is in currently 5 different languages: English, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, and also now we have this test in Gujarati recently it was launched. Starting from class 6 till working professional level, professionals can take career counseling on the platform. This is the glimpse of the career guidance report, which is again AI-powered career guidance report. For every student who takes psychometric test on the platform, a career guidance report gets generated. And currently it is around 100 plus pager report, which is quite an exhaustive report, the most exhaustive report in the market right now. And the Modami's platform is unique in the sense that we have received the national award by the Government of India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and also it is vetted by Quality Council of India (QCI). This is a glimpse of the algorithm, the AI algorithm, which uses which recommends the right careers for the students. Our platform has 98% plus customer satisfaction scores, and there are 2 million plus artificial intelligence rules which are used in recommending the right career. There are more than 200 careers which are currently present on the platform for students to select. Now the question comes, a very important question is how we can help you become a career counselor. So this career counselor program that Modami has the entire end-to-end suite which is offered for individuals to become career counselors. Starting from, there is a complete training program which trains on career counseling framework, methodology, approaches, the framework, the tool, the technology that you have to use for career counseling, including the platform, based training. Then the entire report-based training. How do you interpret, analyze, and then career counsel the student? The entire tools for career counseling that you can use, the database for colleges, career tools which are there on the platform. And then we also provide help with the branding, in the sense that we list every career counselor on Modami's platform, and then we for every counselor, I think right now they're also, for a limited period of time, they're also providing a web page, a complete web page which is built for career counselor, which they can use for their social media promotion. So all this is the entire, everything that you see is a part of the career counselor certification program that we offer to our counselors. It includes counseling framework, tools and technology, the entire guidance methodology, the platform, the branding aspects for career counseling, the social digital marketing aspects, then creating your own counselor profile and listing on Modami's Find Expert Counselors page, and then free co-branding on the platform. We also provide the white labeling options, and then helping you with the entire counseling setup. All this is covered in our career counselor program. The entire everything that you will see in the screen, everything is covered. These are some of the feedbacks that we have received from the counselors who have completed the course on the platform. They are all people who have gone through the course, and they have given feedback on their own. we have not asked for all these feedback. They are all the feedback that is given by them. For example, Ms. Kajal, who has completed it, she is a counselor. She is a very reputed counselor in fact. He says it's a very well structured certification program with planned modules and recorded video sessions and with so many added features. It becomes the most learner friendly course. That is the feedback that Kajal has given. Mr. Sudarshan Srinivasan has also given an excellent feedback for us, and he has also uploaded a certificate on social media. And then there's Miss Anjali, who is a school principal in Kanpur. She has given feedback where she said, "Today I took my first counseling and shared reports with the parents, and they are really happy to see the outcomes of the report." And then the letter that the parent has given to her in terms of the accuracy of the report and the clear dimension-based handling that the report is doing. So this is the feedback that we have got. Now, what I'll also do is that I'll try to take some of the questions from you. So this, I'll share this ebook on making a career as a career counselor. You can actually go on this link and you can book your counselor certification program. There are our associates will also be there to help you out with if you have any queries, if you want to ask any questions, any clarifications, help with booking the program. And I think for a very limited period, you can also give you 5 career reports free, which you can use for conducting counselings for 5 students. So I wish you all a wonderful career. Now I can take some questions. If you want to have any question, you can write in the chat, and I'll be able to answer you in next 10 minutes because we have around 9 minutes left. If you have any questions regarding course, regarding career as a career counselor, I can certainly help you out right now. You can ask me questions. So I hope, again, I'll repeat by the time people send their question. On this platform, we enable you end-to-end in the sense starting from your career counselor program, a complete program to train you as a career counselor, a certification program. We also have a certification program on international studies career counseling, which is focused on international studies. Then there's a program on career counseling, which is called Advanced Career Counselor Program. Once you complete the program, the entire end-to-end enablement is done, starting from your branding to your listing on Godami's website, to creation of your one-pager, website which you can use for promoting your brand, to helping you with all the branding and marketing aspects, social media marketing, digital marketing. All those are also covered in this program. And then also giving you the right templates, the entire platform that you can use for counseling the student. So at the end of the program, by the end of the 2 or 3 weeks in which you complete the program, you'll be completely ready end-to-end enabled as a career counselor. You can start your career counseling. I hope it is clear to all of you. This is the link from where you can go and book your program. I think Sana has been in touch with some of you, are also Desmond. So both of you can also help you out if you need any help or clarity further in terms of the program. If you have any question, you can also write it down. But I'm not getting any questions. I hope that everything is clear in terms of. So one question I've got. Ms. Ranjana is asking, I'm already in the career counseling profession. Do I have to go through the entire process or can I avail the facilities? I recommend that you go through the process because the platform that we have is very unique. It is highly awarded and respected platform, and the kind of technology that we use is artificial intelligence enabled. So it can be a little bit different from what you are already doing. So to understand the platform completely, to understand the frameworks as well as the technology side of it, as well as the approach that we use for career counseling, including the career counseling templates that we provide, all the material that we provide. This investment is nothing. In fact, if you do 1 counseling or 2 counseling, you can. This is the cheapest program right now in the market and the most awarded and the most respected program in the market right now. It's the only program which is awarded by the Government of India, Ministry of Commerce. It's the only program which is covered by Doordarshan in the entire episode in Hindi and English, which was just based focused on Godami's, how Godami is enabling career counselors as well as enabling counseling for students. So don't just look at the small amount. I would recommend that you go through the program. I'm sure you will learn a lot. At the end of the program, I'm sure you will be sending us this kind of feedback yourself. everybody who has gone through the program, they all have given us good feedback about how they are coping it. And also we are giving 5 free career reports to you if you enroll, which itself is I think 2,245 rupees. And we also enlist you on, if anybody who goes through the program, they're enlisted on Bodhami's platform as an affiliated career counselor on the Find Expert Counselor page, and their web profile page is also built. So all this is included in your currently in your offer price, whatever like 2,895 or something, 2,800, which is nothing, based on what you get out of the course. I recommend that you do that. This is the golden opportunity. I showed in the entire market there is nothing which is offered at this price, and a platform which is at this level. I'll show you again that page in terms of the recognition. The Doordarshan itself is tweeting India's entrepreneurial young minds turn into job create. Watch stories of Bodhami, around a few other on DD National, and then so many students have benefited out of it. In 4 countries we have presence currently. So, and the price that we are offering it is like there's nothing. I mean, any other, if you go to any other career counseling platform which are not even reputed like us, not even rewarded like us, they will charge you at minimum 3 times of what we charge. Please suggest the page will be created, will be SEO. This is a page. The Bodhami's website itself is SEO enabled, and on the website there's a link called Find Expert Counselors. Within that, the web page will be created for you. So Bodhami's website is SEO enabled. Your page will also be automatically SEO enabled. And we also give white label options. So anybody who is interested in white label, our white labeling options are also there. If somebody wants to use their own brand. For example, they are already running their coaching centers, or they have their education institutes, or somewhere they have their own brand as a counselor, and they want to use their own brand, and that is also possible. We enable the white labeling options. Those are paid options, but again, the pricing compared to market is the minimum price. So I hope that everybody is clear. What we will do is that we will send out this presentation to all of you. And you look at this presentation once more, and by this Sunday, I think we have some special offers which Sana will anyway give details to you, and Desmond will also be talking to you. Sana and Desmond, both of them will give the details to you, and you think about it. I would say that you must give it a try, because at this you are going to gain so much out of this. For white label, the pricing again is not much. In my understanding, it is around 10,000 rupees for white labeling. Complete white labeling means that your brand is put on the top of as a top layer on the Bodhami's brand as a UI layer. So now when the students are looking at the platform, they will be looking at it as your platform. They will be looking at the report as your report with your brand and logo. That's what white labeling means. So white labeling pricing also are the cheapest for us that you can find in the market. So I hope it's all clear. I think we are almost at the end of it, because half an hour in the presentation. We can connect with you, okay? Sana is also there in this presentation, so she will be talking to you anyway. And I hope that that all of you come and join our platform. I hope to interact closely with all of you, and taking this career counseling journey and making a difference to the lives of so many students and professionals, and have a great career counseling career. So I wish you all the best, and looking forward for a close association with all of you. Thank you.